this is the original image which I have given it, okay, and this is the enhanced image, and you can see that the results are awesome. Hello guys, I hope all of you will be fine. So from today we have been starting a new series which will be related to the trending GitHub repos, how to utilize different AI generated tools, different tools which can help you in your productivity, and many more. Okay, so we will go from super resolution to your face restoration to background removal, and also to other language models which will be from speech recognition to audio cloning and other productivity tools. Okay, so this is the first episode of our series, and without further ado, let me go through it. So the first thing I am going to do here is this GFPGAN, which is for the super resolution and for the face restoration. You can see here that it has the more than 35,000 stars on the GitHub. So that is one of the best face restoration repo over the GitHub. So you can see that it has many things here. You have this GitHub repo, you can clone it, you can play with it. Okay, but in this series I'm not going to talk about all these things with the perspective of the developers, but how a common person can use them and how can he deploy them for its own use. Okay, not only the deployment but the ready-made tools will be shared with your own convenience so that you can play with it. Okay, so this is basically the GFPGAN, and when you will come down you can see that it is now available over the replicate, on the Hugging Face, Gradio, and also in Collab as well. Okay, so you can see that by looking it over the Collab, this is the overall code. You can look at the results here. Okay, these are different images these are basically the input images. Okay, while these are the restored images. You can see that these are basically the other approaches, while these are the approaches which have been used by the GFPGAN. Okay, you can see the performance of the GFPGAN by looking at these results. Okay, so you can also prepare your own customization. Okay, you can change them accordingly. You can use different tools and apply it for yourself. Okay, these are for the developers, and if you don't have any know-how about the programming and whatsoever, what you can do here, you have this Hugging Face Gradio where it has been deployed. Okay, so let me look at it. Okay, so this is basically the web page which contains the Gradio app, and Hugging Face have been running this model over the A10G hardware accelerator. Okay, so this is what we have. This is a GitHub repo, and from here you can very easily apply the input image, and also you can see the results here. Okay, there are different settings here. So let me first see the results just by applying the images which are already available here. So I have clicked over it, which is the image of the George Washington. So I have clicked over it and I have used the rescaling factor, which is 2, and also version v1.4. You can see here that from here I can do it, and after applying it you can see that this is the input image while this is the high resolution image which has been generated. Okay, also you can apply your own images as well. You have to clear it. Okay, and let me drop the image which I have here in my system. Let me apply the image which is here. Let me first show you that which type of image is it. Okay, so you can see that this is a blurred image. Let me apply it over here, and this is what we have. The scaling factor, let me start scaling factor from 2, and now let me use v1.4 here, and let me submit it. After submitting it, you can see that it has been processing it and it's in the queue. Let me see the results here. So after processing, it has completed its process, and now you can see the restored image. From here you can see that it has the higher quality as that of this one. Let me download it as well. Okay, so after downloading it, let me open it, and after opening it you can see that this is the quality, which is awesome. Okay, so as compared with the previous one, let me compare them as well. When comparing them, this is the original image which I have given it. Okay, and this is the enhanced image, and you can see that the results are Awesome. Okay, so that's it for today. You can also apply different settings here. You can increase the rescaling factor up to any value. Okay, and this will give you the results on the basis of it. Also, you have here some dummy or toy images. You can apply them and you can see the results as well. I will put a link to this GFPGAN Gradio app in the description box as well, so that you can play with it. And also the GitHub repository of this will be available as well. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. I will come back with some more interesting stuff in our upcoming video. See you soon.